Hey, I'm sorry I cannot get this baby off me. She just want to get on me. So some people asking me if I bring the stocks of the hair. Sorry, I don't bring the stock of hair this time. Just with my family. You see where we are now? The Kinder J. Um, I I hope that this truck, their truck is with my stock, but no, sorry. But I'm very sure I will come back next time very soon with the stock. You see where we are now? I see a lot of people with different color in Europe. Yeah, it's very different. Very different. They have different color hair, the brown hair, different color. So some people tell me that if they buy the natural black color hair, they can bleach to any color. Maybe it will be perfect for them. But I think I can do a lot of colors for them. The brown, the brown color and the brown color. With the lace wig, closure, bundles. But hopefully you can go to watch my YouTube videos or my YouTube videos. You can see a lot of hair and also me. I'm sorry again, I cannot get this baby off me. She just want to get on me. This. So now we just get started writing. We get started writing now. I will take videos and photos for you guys. Also, I will take photos of different models' hair, the different hair colors.